How to improve better time management. Anyone would benefit from improving their time management skills. It definitely beats working under pressure anytime. After all, if you don't master your time, then opportunities, efficiency, and work-life balance might slip through your fingers. Time management is easier as with most soft skills. It takes a lot of practice to get good at. That said, there are ways to improve your time management skills. We'll teach you just what they are. Let's get started. Number 1. Make a plan. Creating a plan may seem like an inconvenience when you want your journey to a better life. But traversing new territory is easier when you have a map, whether that's taking a vacation, earning a promotion, or starting a new business. Number 2. Consistent. Know where you are spending your time. Track your tasks to understand how long it takes to complete them. Be honest in your evaluation, log distractions and procrastinations. Number 3. Prioritize. Productivity and time management are more popular themes than ever before, and it's really no surprise. We live in a distracted world, with text messages, work chats, and smart device notifications that attracts attention as we attempt to get real, focused work done. Number 4. Evaluation. A time management assessment evaluates all the different skills that are necessary for good time management. These include independence, organization, self-motivation, situational judgment, problem-solving, and effective communication. A time management assessment will help you determine which candidates can plan, prioritize, and complete their tasks effectively within a set time frame. Before I share you the last advice, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss any of our updates. Number 5. Rest. Working too long without rest reduces your concentration and can depreciate your emotional capacity. Regularly scheduled breaks daily and weekly allows you to refresh your perspective and, in turn, make better decisions. Rest is only significant when you purposefully do it. Adequate rest helps your body activate its inner healing cascade and return to a state of homeostasis. This is when your body can repair and recover.